If you thought Security Enhanced Linux provided fine-grained control of services like NFS, you haven't seen anything yet. As Apache's wide menu of components makes it so popular, it's that very menu that supports fine-grained Security Enhanced Linux control of various Apache features. Let's open up the Security Enhanced Linux Management tool to review some of these features. The first option is associated with Pluggable Authentication Modules, or PAM for short. If you're an Apache expert and want to use PAM to regulate authentication on Apache, activate this option. The next option relates to CGI scripts, which is short for Common Gateway Interface Scripts. These are a common interface option between a web server and other applications. What follows is intended to support writes by the web server to data directories, and that goes with the script setting, a couple of options below. These two options are sort of essential for any database, as they're most commonly configured on separate systems. The Relay option supports Apache communication with other systems, including database servers and FTP services. If you want to configure Apache to read user home directories and display their files, there is a commented stanza which would allow it in the sample Apache configuration file, and you'll want to keep this option activated as well. If you want to set up Apache to share files FTP style, you'll want to activate this option. Some web administrators prefer a script known as a server-side include. This option authorizes it. If you've configured scripting on a website, keep this option active. Let's skip over a couple of options. The Unify HTTPD handling option allows all executable files, scripts, and so on to have access to Apache content. The last option should be activated if you've created a passphrase for administrators to enable Apache. If you've set up this requirement, you'll need to activate this option to allow Apache daemon communication with a regular TTY console terminal. While it's unlikely that you'll have to adjust more than a couple of these options during the RHCE exam, it's good to know what's available, as you don't want to have to disable SELinux protection unless absolutely necessary